Morning, my people. Morning, the world is in trouble. The world is in trouble. The kids is in trouble. Our kids is in a lot of trouble. My people, don't act like you don't know. Say something when you see something. Say something when you see something. Don't act like you don't know anything. The monsters is out there. The vipers, the predators is out there. Our kids is in trouble. Our kids are in trouble, my people. So we have to come together. We have to join together. We are the voice of the victims. Help us to fight for the victims. Help us to talk about the victims, for the victims. I got a video coming out later on. Please watch that video. That video is rough. I'm out. Have a good day. And remember, say something when you see something.